Today, we are going to be balancing the reaction of TiCl4 plus H2O, which will produce TiO2 plus HCl. I already wrote out our chart and all the elements that I see on both the left side and the right side of the equation. So all we have to do is just write down how many. Let's start with the left side. I just see that I have a titanium, right, Ti. There's no subscript here, so that means that it's a 1. So I have 1 titanium. For the chlorine, I see that I have 4 Cls, so I put a 4 here. Coming over to the H's and the O's, I see that I have 2 H's, so I put a 2 for the H, and there's no number for the oxygen, which just means that there's 1, so I have 1. Coming over to the product side, titanium is 1. I don't see a number here, so that's a 1. The oxygen, there's 2 of them, so I'm going to put a 2 where the oxygen is. The hydrogen, there's 1 of them. I don't see any subscripts, so 1. And then the same thing for the chlorine. I just have a 1. Now, look for the numbers that you can balance that's the easiest for you. Titanium is already balanced, so I don't have to worry about that. But maybe let's do the chlorines. Always take your lower number and put it to the higher number by multiplication. 1 times what will get me to 4? 1 times 4. The number that you stated is the coefficient that you're going to put in front of the element that you're talking about. So I'm going to put a 4 here. But now you just have to be careful. You have to distribute that number to all the elements in that compound, which means that the hydrogen and the chlorine are going to change. I now have 4 hydrogens, so scratch the 1, I put a 4. And, just like I was trying to do, I have 4 chlorines. So we're good there. Now let's see. Let's just keep going down. Let's try to balance the hydrogens. 2 times what will get me to 4? Oh, 2 times 2. And whatever number that I stated, right, in this case it's a 2, is the coefficient that goes in the front. So the 2 is going to go here. And then since it's a compound, you have to be careful. And you have to be fair. You're going to multiply that 2 to all of the numbers. So the 2 times 2 is the 4. And then for the oxygen, 2 times 1 is 2. So this is great because by balancing one element, you actually balance the other one, right? And now if I just look across the board, all the numbers are the same for the elements. So we're balanced. So the full balanced equation would be 1 TiCl4 plus 2 H2Os, and that would give us 1 TiO2 plus 4 HCls. If this video has helped you out, which I hope it did, press the like button, and if you want to help us out, press that subscribe button. Thank you so much for that, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Good luck on all your tests and quizzes, and keep studying hard. I know you guys got this. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.